What's up, Dyno Nation? Dynojet is here at the Portland, Oregon One Moto Show, celebrating the 15-year anniversary. Out here looking at some amazing custom builds, looking to do some great things in the coming years here. Hope you guys like what we have to show.
The One Moto Show is an inclusive showcase crafted to celebrate weird, rare, custom, classic, and unconventional bikes in a way that everyone can enjoy, whether they ride or not. Started with the impulsive idea to bring together a small community of enthusiasts in underground venues of Portland. Now it has expanded to an improbable massive event that is admired around the globe. This year marks the show's 15th anniversary, bringing in more attendees and sponsors than ever before.
And that's how it came about.
Tell me about this wiring harness.
Wiring harness is just, I wanted old school shit.
Yeah. Have you ever built a motorcycle, or is this your first one?
This is my first bike, my third build. My first two were bicycles and I built like this.
So this is your first motorcycle build?
Yeah, yeah. I got an inline throttle, inline clutch.
Okay. Do you ride it?
Yes.
You do?
I do.
Are you local here?
Santa Cruz, California.
Okay.
That's one of the highlights. I got in the shows, out the door, go through town.
It's part of your rig,
Come back, put it on the truck, and go home.
Yeah, okay, that's the program, huh?
It's all hand built. I don't have any fancy machines.
Yeah.
You know, I got a torch, I got a drill press, and some grinders, you know.
What do you think dollar-wise, what do you have into it?
Probably about $10,000.
10 grand?
Yeah.
Yeah. How long did it take you to build it?
3 years.
3 years?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I've been showing it for 2.
Okay.
And this is my 3rd year showing it. And all this is real copper. This is not paint.
Real copper.
This is not chrome copper.
Yeah, it's real
plated.
copper.
Yeah, everything's, the only thing that's plated is the seat, because it's actually an antique tractor seat.
Yeah, okay.
But everything else is real copper.
It's just real copper pipe.
Yeah.
Ridiculousness, shenanigans.
It's like a 3-ring circus with no ringmaster. It's like a big celebration of motorcycles. Fun, edgy, and legitimate.
Hey, my name is Brandon Powell. I'm from Redmond, Washington. This is my 2022 steampunk-inspired Triumph Bomber. I am not a bike builder. I'm an average dude. I'm an office worker, but I knew what I wanted. And so between Moto Customs and Thornton 100 and A&J Cycles in New York, I was able to kind of find a lot of the parts. And then I went to a buddy of mine who does helmet painting. And I asked him, could you fit a tank in your paint booth? He's like, maybe. And so he had to do it in 3 stages to kind of fit it in. But I'm like, this is what I want, dude. And I know you got the skills. And so I sent him the design, and he was able to kind of do all the custom work. And the only thing that's not yet done is leather work. I got a bunch of custom leather work coming. But yeah, it's been just kind of the process of, as an average dude, just trying to figure out how to make my dream a reality and bring it all together.
Thor Drake, the founder of the show, told us that the future is looking bright for the show. Stay tuned till next year, where we plan on bringing a little Dynojet touch to the next show. Until then, stay tuned.